Sometimes the panel does not show the toner level. This is a useful feature that allows you to plan toner purchases and avoid printer downtime. This is exactly where we will turn on the graphical display of toner status on the operating panel. Each toner is displayed separately, because toners do not always run out at the same time. If you want to see the toner levels in your Ricoh photocopier, follow the procedure. If you press the System SP key too quickly, nothing will happen, but don't worry, this is normal. Wait a few seconds and try again. As you can see, the system is not fully booted yet. The key does not adjust immediately. I could have a coffee in the meantime. It finally worked. Only press what the video shows, because if you make other changes, your copier may be damaged, or the quality of copies and prints may deteriorate. Remember that after changing the number 0 to the number 1, you must confirm this action with the hash key. Exit service mode. The panel still doesn't show the toner level icon, because it won't appear until the copier is restarted. So let's do it. When you turn the printer back on, an additional icon will appear on the panel. By the way, if you think that a Ricoh copier takes a long time to start up, it means that you have not had any experience with Xerox copiers. Everything is clear. Now you will no longer be surprised by a sudden message about the lack of toner. Seeing that the toner is running out, you can calmly plan its purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.